In front of me is Redmi Note 12 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message on this device. First of all, you need to open Messages app. Now select one of your chats and tap on this plus icon at the bottom left corner. Then tap on Files. Finally, you can click on those three lines at the top left corner and select one of the available sources, like Recent. You can also tap on those two filters, Audio and Videos, or select one of your apps. Finally, when you find your file that you wish to add, click on it. As you can see after that, my audio file was successfully added to text message on this device. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!